I think for me, the work I do, and I not only have done higher education or public higher education, I've done a lot of work around housing and homelessness and continue to do that work. It has to do with what burns. It's got to burn for me. And what burns for me comes out of my own history. As a kid, I knew homelessness. I wasn't called that when I grew up, but that's the way we lived for periods of time. Many of our students at CUNY are homeless. Many of our students are hungry. They come to CUNY without housing. They come to CUNY hungry, and they're also hungry for an education. So part of our job at CUNY is to make certain they get what they need. If we're not about going back out into communities, if we're not about building as a union those relationships with students, we never win. In the public sector, we're in a very special and privileged relationship to communities and other groups. And we need to more largely recognize that they are as central to the campaigns for public education, be it K through 12 or higher ed, as our own members. We can't win without them. But if we're not prepared to do that, if we're not prepared to have those conversations and do it, and respect the expertise they do bring from a parental perspective, we don't win. Organizing is about relationships, and it's in the building of power. You're in a foxhole together. I stay because I have people I believe in, I've built relationships with, and I will not abandon them. I will not leave them on the other side. My responsibility is to move forward with them. On the one hand, you want to facilitate a process that moves toward a vision and a set of goals, but on the other hand, you've got to let go because others have to feel ownership. And that's the magic of organizing. If we do that well, we've created greater power.